Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be taking over my sister's YouTube channel today, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a toasted coconut chocolate tart. If you guys would like to see how to make this tart right here, then please keep watching. So our first step is going to be creaming our 160 grams of butter in our mixer on high speed. Then add your 100 grams of icing sugar and whip until combined, slowly turning up the speed of the mixer as it combines. Then add your vanilla and turn the speed onto high for roughly 10 seconds. Now turn down your speed onto low and slowly pour your beaten eggs in. Now turn up your speed. Scrape down the sides of your bowl and continue whipping until combined. Scrape down the sides of your bowl again. Then add your egg mixture to your 300 grams of pastry or cake flour and mix with your hands until smooth and well combined. Once combined, tightly wrap in plastic wrap and place them in the fridge for roughly 45 minutes to an hour, or if wanting to chill faster, place in the freezer for around 20 minutes until slightly firm but pliable. Heavily flour your surface and place dough onto your counter and then begin to roll out until about 1/8 of an inch thick. Place your tart shells on top of your dough and cut about 1 to 2 inches extra around your tart, and then place your dough into your tart shell and mold into your tart pan. Don't forget to spray your shells with cooking spray. Dock and/or poke the bottom of your tart shells to prevent your shells from rising. Bake at 350 degrees Celsius for around 12 to 15 minutes until very slightly browned, but not raw. Now in a pot, bring 510 grams of 2% or whole milk to a boil over high heat. In the meantime, whisk 6 egg yolks and 110 grams of sugar together until pale in color. Then add 30 grams of cornstarch and do the same. Once milk has been brought to a boil, slowly drizzle in your milk while whisking so your eggs do not scramble. A tip for mixing, place a damp cloth under your bowl so it does not move around. Make sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl to get all the egg off the side. Now pour your mixture back into your pot and whisk continuously until thickened over high heat. Once thickened, take off the heat and add in your vanilla, 100 grams of butter, and 115 grams of dark or semi-sweet chocolate, and mix until combined. Then pour your hot pastry cream into a normal piping bag, then cut off the tip of the piping bag and fill your tart shells and put it in the fridge to chill for around 20 minutes. Now pour 75 grams of 35% cream into a bowl and whisk until soft peaks. Then add in your 20 grams of icing sugar and whisk until stiff. Lastly, put your whipped cream into your piping bag. I used a number 32 Wilton star tip to pipe my border, but feel free to be creative with your designs. Then sprinkle some of your toasted coconut on top of your tart. The recipe will be in the description box below, and if you guys redo this tart, please tag me in my Instagram with the picture. And here's the final look. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know down in the comments below if you guys like this video and would like to see more baking videos. Maybe this could be a monthly series. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my sister's channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you're notified every time she uploads a new video. And always remember to be yourself. Bye guys.